Can supplements lower blood pressure? Research suggests some may help. What causes high blood pressure? The exact causes of high blood pressure are not entirely clear. It's likely a combination of environmental and genetic factors. While most cases are primary hypertension without a specific cause, a small percentage have secondary hypertension linked to medical conditions like hormonal disorders. Factors increasing the risk of high blood pressure include a family history of it, getting older, lack of physical activity, being overweight, consuming a high-sodium diet, poor sleep, and also excessive alcohol intake. First, if you're loving this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. According to experts, here are the top 5 supplements that could help manage your blood pressure. Number 1, omega-3 fatty acids. Doctors recommend omega-3 fatty acids, a form of polyunsaturated fat present in fish oil supplements, flax seeds, and walnuts, might have the potential to reduce blood pressure. Nevertheless, there is inconclusive evidence regarding the impact of omega-3 fatty acids on blood pressure, and doctors do emphasize the need for further research. Certain studies propose that a daily intake of 3 grams of omega-3 fatty acids could be the optimal amount for most individuals, with a potential for higher doses benefiting those with hypertension. Doctors also highlight potential risks associated with omega-3 fatty acid supplementation, such as potential slowing of blood clotting, interactions with blood-thinning medications, and gastrointestinal discomfort. Additionally, some individuals may encounter a fishy aftertaste. Number 2, magnesium. Naturopathic physicians emphasizes the crucial role of magnesium in numerous biochemical processes within the body. Doctors point out its involvement in nitric oxide production and muscle relaxation. The proposed mechanism of magnesium's impact on blood pressure centers around its support for nitric oxide production, a vital signaling molecule for vasodilation where blood vessels relax. This relaxation reduces resistance, facilitating increased blood flow throughout the body and resulting in a decrease in blood pressure. According to a meta-analysis published in Hypertension, supplementing with 300 milligrams of magnesium per day for 1 month may lead to a reduction in blood pressure. Doctors caution that taking a magnesium supplement carries potential risks and side effects that individuals should discuss with their healthcare provider. These risks include gastrointestinal discomfort, interactions with certain medications, and a risk of toxicity when taken in high doses. Number 3, Coenzyme Q10. Adequate CoQ10 is of utmost importance for mitochondrial function and plays a pivotal role in the generation of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, which is essential for sustaining the approximately 100,000 daily heart contractions. CoQ10 exhibits promising potential in promoting healthy blood pressure. While further research is required, current studies suggest that supplementing with CoQ10 may lead to a reduction in systolic blood pressure levels for certain individuals, although the impact on diastolic blood pressure was minimal in this particular research. The potential risks in taking CoQ10 includes gastrointestinal discomfort, interactions with specific medications, and a potential influence on blood sugar levels. Number 4, garlic. Adding garlic supplementation may help lower blood pressure in people with hypertension. In fact, research suggests garlic may reduce systolic blood pressure by 8 to 10 points and diastolic blood pressure by 5 to 6 points, ultimately reducing one's risk of cardiovascular events by 16 to 40%, according to a review and meta-analysis in Experimental and Therapeutic Medicine. Risks of garlic supplementation include gastrointestinal discomfort, interactions with certain medications, and an increased risk of bleeding. Number 5, potassium. An essential mineral, potassium helps regulate fluid balance and maintain healthy blood pressure. Research suggests a dose-response relationship between potassium supplementation and both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Risks include gastrointestinal discomfort and also interactions with medications. Before starting any supplements for high blood pressure, consult your healthcare provider. They can determine if supplements are suitable and recommend the right dose and type and ensure they won't interact with medications or health conditions. Remember, supplements are not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle, so make lifestyle changes like regular physical activity and a balanced diet. Thank you so much for watching Healthy Food Crush Food Facts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy food facts.